Welcome to our guide on how to use the Expert Option Demo account. Today, we'll explore its key features and how you can maximize your trading potential. A demo account is a simulated trading environment that allows you to practice without financial risk. It's essential for honing your skills. Creating your demo account is simple. Just visit the website, sign up, and start exploring the platform. Let's take a quick tour of the interface. This is where you'll access all the tools you need for trading. Familiarity with different trading tools and charts will help you make informed decisions. Let's explore them together. Now, it's time to place your first trades. Follow along as we demonstrate how to do this efficiently. Risk management is crucial. Always set limits and stick to your trading strategies, even when practicing. To practice effectively, set specific goals and review your trades regularly to learn from your experiences. Transitioning from demo to live trading should be gradual. Ensure you feel confident before engaging with real funds.